Welcome to 27 Blair Street in South Yunderup. The double driveway and garage. We'll go towards the paved entrance of the house itself. Long central passageway. We've got a garage off to the left, and we've got the first of the 4 bedrooms on the right. This is the main bedroom. Nice street outlook. Ensuite bathroom. Separate shower and toilet. Large walk-in robe. Back to the passageway. You'll now see the double garage. Then we have a theatre room here. And then a rumpus room, I guess you would say. And then further down the passageway, the main living area. A lot of space here, actually. So this is used as a lounge and dining. Then we go to the kitchen with an island bench in the centre. The air conditioning controls just there. Plenty of cupboard space as well. Extra wide oven and hot plates. Dishwasher. Laundry with walk-in pantry as well. Then we'll head to the rear part of the house where we have the remaining 3 bedrooms. So we're looking at 1 with mirror doors, double built-in robe, and then we have 2 here, again the double built-in robe, and then you have 3 built-in robes again. There is a study nook here as well, and then the second bathroom, which is in really good condition with a separate bath and shower. Let's have a look out the back now. So we're going out the back sliding screen door to the patio area here, and then we've got some garden beds. There's paving down the side. That's the motor unit for the air conditioner. And around this side we've got grass, garden beds, bottled gas, so it's on bottled gas here, and that is the water storage unit for the hot water system with a side gate down the end.